Hello! Hello channel, welcome back to my guys. I know I had not uploaded a video since a long time. That was because I was animating. In this video, I will show you how I animated like my first animation, how was it and whole animation process. So let's get started real quick. For this, I'm going to use Flip a Clip. So yeah, I am dumb. I lost the rest of the clip. So enjoy my first ever animation. After that, I made more animations and kept getting better.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone.
After watching a few tutorials on YouTube, I animated a scene from Demon Slayer. I don't know if it is good or not, but it is not completed yet. Once I complete it, I will upload a video on YouTube. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.